Which air rifle is actually worth your money? It's a simple question, but the answers can get pretty confusing. Today, we're cutting through the noise and finding out which ones really stand out under $200. Product number 1: Gamo Varmint Air Rifle. Let's kick things off with the Gamo 6,110,017,154 Varmint Air Rifle, priced at $139.99. What really caught my attention here is its powerful spring piston design and sleek black finish. If you want a reliable air rifle that packs a punch, this is worth a serious look. That kind of velocity means you'll hit your target with authority, whether it's for pest control or target shooting. Plus, it comes with a 4x32 scope, which is perfect for honing in on your shots. The synthetic Monte Carlo stock features dual raised cheek pieces for comfort and a manual safety for peace of mind. This rifle has a solid 4.3-star rating from over 860 reviews, which speaks volumes about its reliability. Now, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit tough to cock at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the performance you get is totally worth that initial effort. So, if you're patient and looking for a solid air rifle, this one could be perfect. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a powerful air rifle for both target shooting and small pest control. Skip this one if you want something that's super lightweight and easy to cock right out of the box. For the price, it delivers solid value for your money. Now, if the Gamo's cocking issue bothered you, this next pick takes a different approach. Product number 2: Barra Sportsman 900. Next up is the Barra Airgun Sportsman 900 BB gun rifle, coming in at just $69.99. What stood out to me is its multi-pump power system, which makes it really fun and easy to use. If you want an air rifle that's great for beginners and experienced shooters alike, this one's worth considering. The Sportsman 900 allows you to shoot either .177 caliber pellets or BBs, giving you a lot of flexibility for your shooting needs. With a rifled 20-inch barrel and an adjustable fiber optic sight, it's designed for accuracy, reaching speeds of up to 800 FPS. Plus, it has a real working bolt action feature that adds to the realism of shooting. However, some users reported issues with the pump action feeling a bit stiff at first. Honestly, that's not unusual for multi-pump air rifles. Once you get used to it, it's smooth sailing and totally fun to shoot. So if you're keen on a reliable entry-level air rifle, this could be the one. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, fun air rifle for plinking and target practice. Skip this if you're looking for something strictly for hunting. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're after a full auto experience. Product number 3: DPMS Full Auto SBR. Coming in at $162.99, the DPMS Full Auto SBR Co. 2-powered BB airgun is definitely a standout with its dual action capability. What grabbed my attention is the selectable fire modes. You can switch from semi-auto to full auto, which makes for a thrilling shooting experience. If you're looking for something that feels like the real deal, this is worth a serious look. This rifle can fire at an incredible rate of 1,400 rounds per minute while reaching speeds of 430 FPS. The blowback feature simulates a real firearm, giving you that physical kick with every shot. Plus, it has an adjustable 6-position stock, so you can customize the fit to your liking. With a strong 4.6-star rating and nearly 8,000 reviews, it's clear this product is well received. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for casual shooting, it's still a blast. Just make sure to keep extra cartridges on hand. If you want a fun and immersive shooting experience, this could be a great addition to your collection. This is perfect for you if you enjoy fast-paced shooting and want a realistic feel. Skip this one if you're looking for something low maintenance and easy on Code 2 usage. It offers great value for a full auto experience. Now, if the Code 2 consumption bothered you, the next product might be a better fit. Product number 4: Crosman CAK-1. Next, let's talk about the Crosman CAK-1 Full Auto Code 2 powered BB air rifle, priced at $152.86. What's cool about this model is that it features a 28-round magazine and selectable fire modes. If you're into rapid-fire fun, this one's definitely worth your attention. The adjustable tactical stock and quad rail system allow for customization, whether you want to add optics or grips. With a 4.5-star rating from over 1,300 reviews, it's evident that many users appreciate its versatility. However, some users have noted that the magazine can be tricky to load. I'll be real with you, while it takes some practice, once you get the hang of it, the fun factor is pretty high. So if you want an exciting air rifle that can keep up with your shooting style, this one's definitely worth checking out. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, high-capacity air rifle for casual shooting. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional single-shot experience. It offers great value for those looking for full auto capability. Alright, that was an exciting pick. But if you want something a bit more classic, let's take a look at the next option. Product number 5, Crosman M4177. Finally, we have the Crosman M4177 Tactical Style Variable Pump Air Rifle, coming in at $69.91. What strikes me about this rifle is its tactical design and adjustable power. If you want a flexible air rifle that adapts to your shooting needs, this one's worth considering. It's compatible with .177 caliber pellets or steel BBs, giving you options for different shooting experiences. The crossbolt safety feature ensures safe handling, which is important for new shooters. With a solid 4.3-star rating and over 3,500 reviews, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some users have mentioned that the pump action may feel a bit awkward at first. So if you're looking for a versatile air rifle for practice and fun, this could be a great fit. This is perfect for you if you want a tactical-style air rifle that you can adjust for different power levels. Skip this if you're looking for a high-powered option right out of the box. For the price, it delivers solid value and versatility. To wrap things up, we've covered some fantastic options today. The Gamo Varmint is powerful and reliable. The Barra Sportsman 900 is fun for beginners. The DPMS Full Auto offers thrilling action. The Crosman CAK-1 excels in versatility, and the M4177 is great for those who want adjustable power. Each of these rifles has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.